Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a really neat little piece of tech for anyone into DIY audio, a digital power amplifier board. This is a dual-channel audio stereo module, specifically designed as a mini stereo power amplifier. It's perfect for those looking to build their own speakers or enhance a home theater setup. One of the first things you notice is the power input. It uses a copper DC head adapter. This isn't just any adapter. The copper construction helps it withstand higher currents without heating up, which is crucial for stable performance. Inside, the board features a 470 UF35V solid-state capacitor. This component plays a vital role in power storage and heat dissipation, ensuring a stable and continuous power supply to the amplifier, which translates to cleaner sound. Connectivity is key, and this module comes equipped with Bluetooth 5.0. This latest version offers higher transmission efficiency and a longer, more stable connection distance compared to older versions, meaning less dropouts and better audio quality wirelessly. For DIY projects, convenience is important. This board includes a built-in switch and an adjustable volume knob. This makes controlling the audio level incredibly easy directly from the module itself, which is a huge plus when you're integrating it into a custom enclosure. And speaking of convenience, it even comes with a DC head wire. This wire is compatible with the product's input power interface, making wiring straightforward. Even if you don't have a specific DC head adapter or are using a battery setup, this wire facilitates easy connection. So, whether you're building a custom set of bookshelf speakers, upgrading an old audio system, or creating a compact home theater setup, this mini digital power amplifier module offers the features and stability needed. Its dual-channel stereo output provides a solid foundation for your audio project. Oh, and if you're planning to put this in a metal cabinet, there's even provision to lead out the Bluetooth antenna for better signal reception. It's a compact, feature-rich board that simplifies the process of adding powerful, wireless audio to your DIY creations.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.